decided it was time for a little bit of a change. So I've took away the dolls and the doll sewing studio. So that's gone. Look, I've still got so much to do, but had a bit of a change. I've got to make way for a new machine that's coming. So I've had to try and push things over. So this section here is set up. So here it is. So this is how this section's going to be. But this machine here, which has been my little workhorse, and I love her, she's getting an upgrade. I love that machine. So, yeah, she's having a little trade-in. So, upgrading her, and then there's going to be a new addition. Still keeping my old faithful brother. So, there's my old faithful. I love her. I pretty her off a bit. She's an oldie, but she's got a new table. She had an upgrade. She's got a servo motor and everything there. Here I just have all the little tools and that I like to just quickly able to grab. And then I have, this is a section I've still got to do. Still got my skiving machines. That's staying, but it might get just pushed down a little bit. And here, this section here, there's going to be a new machine coming in there. I'm so excited. I can't wait. She's a bit of a beast. So another new machine. And then this is where I've set up and I've been doing photos. So I had a bit of a photo shoot for my bags. So I set that area up there to try and do some photos. So, because I got a few more bags. I've taken most of these. I did photos, but I wasn't quite happy with the ones that I've taken, so I decided to do more. Look, I've still got to set up this mess here. Going to be doing some filming, some overhead shots. So I've got the lighting, I think, for this corner set up pretty good so that when I end up doing some sewing, that's got a soft light box up there. And that'll sort of be overhead there. So I'll have some pretty even lighting for when I'm filming. And I want to try and get some overhead shots like that. And then where I might need to zoom in. How cool is this? Oh, I love this. Oh, it's a super strong magnetic. You could, look, see how strong it is? So it's a magnetic pin dish or a dish, and it really does hold everything really well. Let me show you this. Oh, look, it's even taken those clips there. I can put it, let me just put that down and get that away. Oh, if you want to have it here, like, it'll stay there if you want to keep it there, but this is how strong the magnet is. Oh, look, just put it here. I can put them over there. So I have a few little magnets around. They come in handy. Have a look. This is where I had it while I was sewing before. You can have it on its side. Like, nothing is going to fall out. Seeing how close I can get it. Look at this angle. They don't even have much metal on them. There's a metal hair clip. Little things amuse me. That amuses me. I've got these on here. Some stretchy, some nice pointy sharp scissors. Beautiful. Love the little clear handles. So they just stay there, and that's stretchy enough that I can use them between whatever machine I happen to be working on. But yes, I can't wait for a new machine. I had this in as a prop to see if I had enough space for the new machine, because it'll have the same size big table like these guys do. And it'll sit this way, and I think that'll be perfect. So I'll be able to swing my chair around, sew there, and sew there. And then I've got like my little drawers of accessories that I use all the time there. And then I'll have this little mobile unit, so for pressing and cutting on. And I can just slide it from here and bring it over and have it here. So I can have like a complete little circle sort of thing and just keep pumping away and sewing away and filming some tutorials for you. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Okay then, that's all from me. Bye.